So when I'm short on time, but I want a good burst of cardio, I put on this video from the Bellicon platform. It is a 4-minute Tabata, and I guarantee you it will get your heart rate up, you'll feel supercharged and ready to go. Let's do it.
We're just gonna get into it. First move, extra running and go. Come on. Bounce. Next move, jacks. Remember, jack, 10 seconds only right here. Go. Up, bounce. 10 second bounce. 10 seconds, go by fast. I know I'm burning. Are you?
Okay, I'm about 2 minutes in. My heart rate is already up there. So I can't show the whole video because it's Bellicon's video, but if you have a Bellicon, give a short Tabata a try and subscribe to the video platform on Bellicon. Of course, when you first purchase your new Bellicon, you'll get a complimentary 90-day trial to the platform. So give it a try. That video was by Arnita Champion. Go find it and have some fun. See you soon.